Okay, so as I said, it is hot today. The other day it was 72. It was wonderful. Today it's 85 and not so wonderful. My clean water bucket's here. And this happens to be the stool that my camera's crooked. Okay, so I came in here the other day and cleaned this section of the bedroom, and even found a big sponge, so I washed the floor. I washed every bit of woodwork, everything. So you can even see the nice shiny plate. So, and the window. Windows are a little hard to catch because I catch darkness. Let's see if I can back up and catch it. See, I can't really catch the window. But anyhow, all the silver, let me see if I can get up to it. There we go. All the silver is now silver again. And I do plan on ordering new handles because those are pretty worn. And as far as the frame goes on here, I might just leave it rustic like it is. You know, I could paint it, I could sand it down to silver, but I kind of like the rustic look, so I think I'm going to leave the rustic look. And I forgot my razor blade, but that's okay. I found more sponge I didn't get cut off, but I'll get that later. So this is the clean section. And you can probably tell the difference. That is the dirty section. Of course, I've got light on my wall too. Here we go, we'll do this. There. You can see how nice and clean that wood is. And you can see how dirty and dark that wood still is. So I plan on working on this half of the bedroom today. It's going to be a hot day, folks. Whew. It's already 85 in here. And there's not much of a breeze. I love this RV with these louvered windows because it does allow some breeze to come through. And I have to clean this window. Come on, focus. There we go. So you can see how dirty and grungy they get. The smell is actually getting better in here with all this cleaning too. So that's a good thing. Because I wasn't sure I could live in here or not. But what I do is I use the Awesome, I spray it on there and use a toothbrush to clean off those parts. So I am going to get to work. Okay, as I was saying, this is the stool that I use. I stand on the bottom step when I have to wash the ceiling. I really don't like these things, but I don't need to use a respirator for this part. When I hit that room right there, definitely respirator. I don't like this because it bothers my nose. This little strip right here digs into my nose. But I like the filtered part on the end, so, you know, what can you do? And I buy all these gloves for $1. I don't see any point in going and spending a whole bunch of money on gloves when I can get several pair for $1 in case I hit a nail or something and tear them. By the way, I have had a tetanus shot, so don't worry about that. Okay. You know what? Come on. Let's go, guys. My fingers need to feel that. Like I said, I'm going to wash down this board. And then I'm going to put it over on the other side. Get any kind of stuff off of it. Less stuff to go in my water bucket. Okay, so I'll start down here. Get the old scour sponge. Just work in circular motions. Okay, so this board is now washed down. It wasn't that bad. Gotta make some more cleaner. That's all I have left in this bottle. And I am going to go ahead and use this mold mildew eliminator, although I don't really see any mold or mildew in here, which is fantastic. It won't hurt to give it a try. So, and since I have this section open here, those little dinks are my phone. It's Facebook, so I just ignore it. Okay, since I already washed down this section, I'm going to go ahead and spray. Shake it up real well first. There. Just as a precaution, although I'm still going to paint all this wood anyhow. So that's sprayed down. And this board is simply going to go over here now. Come on, I got stuck on a cord. Come on, board. Give me a break here. It's caught. Oh, shit. Oh, darn it. It just broke some of my plastic molding. Come on. Okay, that could be tacked back down. It didn't hurt it. Okay, so voila. We got all this to do now. So I will start at the top. I'll start at the cabinets first. Wash along those. The interiors have already been washed. The exterior still needs to be washed. The walls need to be washed. And of course, everything down in the bottom.